come
going
on
to
a nature
realize
run
it
with
one
me.
day. That happiness was never about your job or your degree or being in a relationship. Happiness was never about following in the footsteps of all of those who came before you. It was never about being like the others. One day you're going to see it. That happiness was always about the discovery, the hope, the listening to your heart, and following it wherever
Look,
it
the spider
chose
caught
to
its
go.
dinner.
Happiness
That's so
was
cool.
always about being kinder to yourself.
And then it has a
It
yellow
was always
whale.
about
That's
embracing the
interesting.
person you were becoming.
Wow.
One day you will understand that happiness was always about learning how to live with yourself, that your happiness was never in the hands of others. One day you will realize that true happiness comes from within, and no external factors can define it. It was always about you. It was always about you.